How's it going, everyone? This is Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can fix your Jabra headset microphone not working. Now, the first thing that you want to do is to simply head over to your Windows settings, and from here, click on the volume icon. It's going to be on the bottom of your screen right here. Simply right click on it, click on sound setting, and then you want to make sure that you have chosen the Jabra headset microphone. Now in here, if you cannot basically see it, just click on add device and you will be able to pair it onto your Windows computer. And before we head over to the next step, you also want to make sure that the volume for your microphone is actually turned up. Now, you want to head over to the Jabra microphone application or the Jabra headset application, and then you just want to apply the following setting. If you cannot hear yourself, or basically if the microphone is not working, you just want to make sure that the side tone is enabled, and for the side tone level, normally this will be set at 0 decibel, which is going to be the normal setting. And if you want to hear your voice less, you just want to select the negative option. And if you want to higher, or if you want to increase your headset microphone level, you just want to turn this into something like +3 or +6. And so if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.